Hello everyone, this is Vivek from Recruiterflow. In this video, I'll be showing you how to map your custom fields to an application form. First, you'll have to go to the jobs page and then choose the job you want to map your custom fields to and then click on edit. Once you do that, make sure you head over to the application form tab and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on add questions. You can add a question you wish to. If you want to make this mandatory, just tick this box here and then choose the response type as select a custom field and then choose the custom field that you wish to and then click on save. In case you haven't set up custom fields, you can head over to the settings tab and under custom fields you'll have to configure candidate custom fields. All the custom fields that have been configured under candidate custom fields will be shown as custom field option inside your application form setup. Thank you.